Hey, we're going on a hike that way in the woods to a hut. Hopefully we can find it.
Yeah, hopefully.
All right.
Fingers crossed. Pray for us.
Yes. We may need it. That's Lily. Becky, me. All right.
Journey via Lily's Lands.
Yes. We'll link a link. Link a link.
Yeah. Link a link.
We'll see you in the woods.
Yep. See ya.
There they are back there.
Coming. Beautiful out here.
Ain't it though?
Yeah.
I think I need to cut the grass here.
Yeah.
Watch for snakes.
What?
Watch for snakes. Yeah, it's too cold for them right now. I should probably check the map, make sure we're going the right direction. Yeah, I think I'll do that. We ain't there yet. We think we're going the right way, but we're not real sure. We'll know when we get there, but look at that. Ain't that cool? Turn left at the rock. I see it. Well, I bet you it does. It look cool in the nighttime. In the moonlight. Look at that. Ain't that just beautiful out there? We got to keep going this direction, I think. It's a pretty cool burnt piece of wood here. This is their totem pole. Oh, it looks even cooler over here. It's like artwork. I gotta watch where I'm going. I'm gonna fall, break my neck. No wildlife yet. We're almost there. I think we found it. I think. You see it? There might be. I haven't checked for any caches around here. See, yeah. See if you can bring it up. Well, there it is. We found it. Wasn't quite what we thought, but hey, mission accomplished. From the road, it looks like a little hut with a door. But it's just a little makeshift shelter somebody made. Nothing real spectacular, but hey, the hike is what's spectacular. In the end. Had to switch over to my cheaper phone. Google phone was out of storage. It's been around. This is what it looks like here. Lily and Becky are somewhere that way. Oh, here they are. That's what it looks like here. And camp is back that way. I think we're heading back. Get with the ladies and see which way they want to go. Take the road back or go back through the woods. But the lava cave is that way. And Kendrick Peak is that way. And Humphreys Peak is back that way. All right, off to find out what we're doing. Here's an interesting find. We don't know what it is. This is a some sort of stake with a tag and zip tied 134. Ain't got a clue.
Nope.
It's things you see in the woods. Yeah, actually it's right by the road there.
So,
Yep, things you see in the woods.
they make you go,
We're taking the road back. Real slow. This phone's not real good for recording video. Not compared to that Google. Here's the ladies. Got about half a mile to go. Let's look at this side. Well, doesn't see the other side. But I'm not walking with this phone. Stabilization on it is not worth a crap. But onward. We've made the turn. Now we're on another road. Our road. There's the ladies. I said, there's the ladies. Right through there's our camp. That's not our camp, but right through there's our camp. You just see Kendrick Peak. Not Kendrick Peak, Humphreys Peak starting right there. Kendrick Peak's over here. Right there. That's Kendrick Peak. Right there. Alright, time to catch up with the ladies. Kendrick Peak. Look at all them yellow flowers out there in that meadow. Well, we've made it back to camp. Right over there is camp. We came from that direction. Right there. Awesome, the dogs hear us. Nice little hike. I get to the RV, I want to see how long it was. That's when I'll stop the hike app that's recording. There's Kendrick Peak. One more time. What up, Lulu? We're back. Everybody's recouping for our almost 2 miles. A little bit over a mile and a half. Alright. It is time to get some water. Get the puppies out so they can go potty. We were gone a little over an hour. We're back at camp.